America is racing towards developing a safe and widely available coronavirus vaccine. President Trump promised one by the end of the year, but Dr. Fauci made this terrible confession about the dangers of a coronavirus vaccine. Russia became the first country to announce approval of a coronavirus vaccine. A vaccine against coronavirus has been registered for the first time in the world this morning. Russian President Vladimir Putin told a state-owned television station, "I know that it works quite effectively. It forms a stable immunity." The Russian Gamaleya Institute developed a vaccine named Sputnik, which Putin claims is safe and that his daughter took, even though it has not yet undergone phase 3 clinical trials where thousands of test subjects volunteered to take the vaccine, to make sure it is safe and effective. At an event sponsored by National Geographic, Dr. Tony Fauci threw cold water on the idea Russia developed a safe and effective vaccine so quickly. "I hope that the Russians have actually definitively proven that the vaccine is safe and effective," Fauci told event moderator Deborah Roberts. "I seriously doubt that they've done that. Having a vaccine and proving that a vaccine is safe and effective are two different things," Fauci added. Previously, the quickest a vaccine could be developed was 12 to 18 months. President Trump authorized Operation Warp Speed to bring a safe and effective vaccine to the public by the end of this year. Currently there are vaccines in phase 3 trials being tested on tens of thousands of volunteers to make sure it is safe for broad distribution. Dr. Fauci told National Geographic that America could take the same risk as Russia, but that the Trump administration would never take a course of action that would put the public in danger of suffering the catastrophic side effects of an untested vaccine. "We have half a dozen or more vaccines, so if we wanted to take the chance of hurting a lot of people or giving them something that doesn't work, we could start doing this, next week if we wanted to, but that's not the way it works," Dr. Fauci added. Polls already show that 35 to 40% of Americans would choose not to take a coronavirus vaccine. Millions of Americans would object to making it mandatory. That's why the Trump administration would never cut corners like the Russian government is doing and dump a vaccine out on the public before proving that it is safe for people to take. The Trump administration is on track to produce a safe and effective vaccine in record time, and that will be a historic achievement.